The GMC Terrain key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery and is standard across 2010 to 25 models. You'll need a small screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. To open the fob case, carefully pry it open with the screwdriver. It's secured by clips or screws, so avoid using force to prevent damage. Once open, access the battery by lifting the metal retainer or sliding it out. Note the orientation. The positive side must face up. Ground yourself to avoid static electricity damage. Remember, improper opening can cause damage leading to costly repairs, as seen in cases where owners force the case open. Battery life is generally 1 to 3 years, with replacement needed when responses become slow or the LED dims. Insert the new CR232 battery into the key fob, ensuring the correct polarity with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the fob case by carefully aligning the parts and pressing them together until the clips snap into place or retightening any screws. Test the fob's functionality, including lock, unlock, panic alarm, and trunk release to confirm the battery replacement was successful. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure no components were dislodged during the process. DIY replacement saves money with the battery costing under $5 compared to professional services at $50 to $100, but caution is advised. Keep in mind that a software glitch rather than the battery could be the problem, although this is rare. Batteries should be recycled to minimize environmental impact, aligning with efforts to promote eco-friendly battery options.